India's fastest under-23 female athlete, Taranjeet Kaur has failed in competition dope tests and faces a 4-year ban from competing in events sanctioned by World Athletics. The Delhi-based athlete, one of the most famous trainees of wrestler Sushil Kumar's Chhatrasal Stadium, won the 100 meters and 200 meters sprint double at the inaugural National Under-23 Championships held in September just last year.
सर पर्सनल बेस्ट लग गई तो 10 आउट ऑफ 9 ही दूंगी क्योंकि मेरा 30 का एम था। लेकिन खुश हूँ कि यार पर्सनल बेस्ट लग गई। और मैं बहुत वरीड थी क्योंकि वारंगल में सर ब्लॉक मेरा ड्रैग हो गया था। एटलीस्ट मे बी हाफ मीटर वो ब्लॉक पूरा ड्रैग हुआ था मेरा, तो जिस वजह से ब्लॉक स्टार्ट बहुत स्लो गया था। लेकिन एंड में कवर अप कर काफ़ी कवर अप करना पड़ा, तो वहाँ पर सेकंड रहा था तो बहुत बुरा लगा था। लेकिन आज मैंने उसको कम बैक करके अपने स्टार्ट पूरा फोकस रखा और बहुत अच्छा गया, तो बहुत खुश हूँ कि पर्सनल बेस्ट लग गई।
She also won the 100 meters gold and 200 meters silver in National Athletics Open Championships. She won the 100 meter and 200 meter double at the Under-20 Federation Cup in 2021 as well.
सर 100 मीटर क्यों 8 साल से सर उसी के लिए प्रिपेयर किया। 200 मीटर मेरा साइड इवेंट है। लेकिन हाँ, उसमें भी पूरा एफर्ट पुट करती हूँ क्योंकि मैम कहते हैं कि अगर सर 400 to 200 की तैयारी करती हूँ तब जाके सर 100 मीटर बेटर होता है, क्योंकि सर पुश तो है लेकिन उसके लिए एंडिंग में पुलिंग बहुत ज़रूरी है। सर उसके लिए हम लोग कहते हैं कि यार कि लॉन्ग इवेंट में स्टैमिना चाहिए। सर 100 मीटर में भी बहुत स्टैमिना चाहिए, मतलब पलक झपकती पता ही नहीं चलता कि कौन फर्स्ट आ गया, एकदम ही निकल जाता है। सर मैं सच बताऊं, मैं मतलब एडिक्टेड हूँ ब्लॉग से, यार इसको करना है, तो वो चीज़ काफ़ी वो रखती है कि यार ब्लॉग से निकलना ये वो। और सबसे ज़्यादा सर मैं शेलियन फ्रेजर जो है
अभी मैं जाने ही वाला था, मैं उस क्वेश्चन पे मैं जाने ही वाला था कि नेल पेंट के मैं जाने ही वाला था कि वो भी अपना कलर वाला करती है।
उनसे बहुत ज़्यादा इंस्पायर्ड रहती हूँ।
अभी तो बहुत
सब एलन थॉमसन, लेकिन सर मेरी शेलियन फ्रेजर मैम बहुत, मैं चाहूँगी कि अपना मतलब इस हिसाब से हो कि जमाइका एक बार जाऊँ उनसे मिलने के लिए। पर्सनली मैं बहुत ज़्यादा उनसे मतलब होती हूँ कि बहुत बड़ी फ़ैन। मेरे रूम में बहुत बड़ा मैंने पोस्टर तक लगा रखा है उनका, क्योंकि मैं बहुत ज़्यादा उनसे होती हूँ। क्योंकि सर उनका 60 मीटर स्टार्ट वॉज जस्ट मतलब एक तरह से होता है ना कि गन पॉइंट वो वैसे लगता है। फर्स्ट 60 मीटर उनके मेरे को बहुत पसंद है।
The 19-year-old was being touted as a Paris Olympics hopeful, and she had said her aim in 2022 would have been to break the 200 meters national record held by Duti Chand. Taranjeet failed in competition dope tests conducted by the National Anti-Doping Agency, according to media reports. These tests would have been conducted at a time around her impressive performances in September. She will get an opportunity to prove her innocence before NADA's disciplinary panel. Taranjeet returned to the sprint track after a pep talk from Sushil Kumar after a freak road accident 3 years ago forced her to consider hanging up her spikes. This is a second life for me. If Sushil sir hadn't spoken to me that day, I wouldn't have been here today, Taranjeet had told the media after her sprints in September. Every time sprinter Taranjeet Kaur steps out of the gates of the Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium in New Delhi, fear grips her. It was in 2018 that she was hit by a car about 50 meters from the main gate, leaving her motionless by a pavement. For the next 15 minutes, Taranjeet stared at a group of onlookers as none of them approached to help. An archery coach recognized me and rushed me to the hospital. My collarbone was broken in 3. I couldn't carry out my daily chores without assistance for the next 3 months, and I was almost certain my career would end, recalls Taranjeet. Almost 3 years later, in September 2021, at the same venue, the 19-year-old won the 100 meters title with 11.54 seconds on the clock at the ongoing Under-23 Nationals. Taneshwari of Karnataka with 11.66 seconds and Nitya Gande with 11.90 seconds took the next 2 spots. Taranjeet returned later in the evening to top her heats in the 200 meters. When Taranjeet returned to the tracks after 6 months of rehabilitation, she realized every month away from the tracks took her years back in terms of performance. Girls who I used to beat with ease earlier were miles ahead of me. It took me 40 seconds to complete 200 meters. Taranjeet's best is 23 seconds. I would sit and weep after practice. I had lost all hope again. Just when she was about to hang up her spikes, Taranjeet received a pep talk from Sushil at North Delhi's Chhatrasal Stadium. I was crying and Sushil sir saw me. He asked me why I was weeping. I told him about my accident and how I am not able to regain my form. I asked if he couldn't see the support bandages I was wearing. He said no. He said he couldn't see it. Susheel's answer left young Taranjeet perplexed. She couldn't understand why the double Olympic medalist refused to acknowledge the bandages. He told me that if I believed that the bandages weren't there, then it won't affect me. He consoled me and encouraged me to fight harder. Susheel asked the youngster to wipe her tears and stand up. He said, "Let me welcome you to a new start and clap for me." The few minutes of interaction with Susheel changed Taranjeet's life forever. This is a second life for me. If Susheel sir hadn't spoken to me that day, I wouldn't have been here today. I'm certain of that. Taranjeet took up athletics as a 13-year-old with only one goal in mind: to cut down on her weight. She weighed 75 kilos when she decided to walk into the Chhatrasal Stadium to meet athletics coach Sunita Rai. On the first day, I cried after running just one round. I couldn't. But Sunita ma'am encouraged me and motivated me. Initially, she tied a rope around another athlete's hip and mine. I was literally dragged into running. Coach Sunita says she saw a spark in the teenager and took her under her wing despite Taranjeet being unfit for athletics. I knew there was something special about this girl. The first thing I noticed was that she was very strong. I had a feeling she would do something on the circuit, and that is why I decided to coach her despite her weight troubles. She was naturally delighted on winning back-to-back national goals, but the discomfort in the shoulder area still hampers her performance. When the workload increases, it hurts.
मैं इम्प्रूवमेंट चाहूँगी कि और अच्छा कर पाऊँ आगे, क्योंकि 11:50 के साथ अब हाफ सेकंड कम एक होता है कि मतलब सर मैं हारती भी हूँ जीतती भी हूँ अपने टाइमिंग के साथ। मेरे को सर एक अंदर से एक वो मिलता है कि इंस्पिरेशन मिलता है कि यार इतना आगे तो आगे क्यों नहीं कर सकते, इतना आगे तो और आगे क्यों नहीं कर सकते सर, वो चीज़ अंदर से रहती है। तो अभी तो एज भी काफ़ी कम है, तो हो सकता है, क्योंकि अगर हम ठान लें तो सर कुछ भी इम्पॉसिबल नहीं है। सर पहला मेरा वर्ल्ड वो है वर्ल्ड यूनिवर्सिटी, देन आई विल ट्राई फॉर एशियन गेम्स एंड सर सॉन जो चलता रहेगा।
But with renewed vigor and steel-like resilience, Taranjeet feels nothing can stop her from breaking idol Duti Chand's 100-meter mark of 11.17 seconds.
सर उनका भी स्टार्ट मुझे बहुत पसंद है, क्योंकि उनका स्टार्ट सर मैं उनके साथ मैंने किया है 100 मीटर, तो जब तक मेरे 2 पैर निकलते उनके 6 पैर निकल चुके होते हैं। इतनी फास्ट है वो मेरे से।
I met her once and told her that I would like to be like her. She told me, "Don't aspire to be like me, but become better than me. Become a Taranjeet," she said.